Welcome to BB Python programming. In this video I'll be telling you how to calculate area of triangle. All you have to know is their formula. Let's start. I will be taking three variables, naming it A, B, C and store three different numbers. Now I'll be using the area formula A plus B plus C upon 2. Again area formula root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. In Python language this means root over. Now print function and we will write a message to output the area of triangle is percent 0.2f percent area. Now let's run our program. Here I'm zooming it so you will not be able to see the full screen, so save a file and run your program as well. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the notification button, and if you have any doubt regarding this program, please make sure to comment down in the comment box. I'll help you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.